Hey, what's up guys? Coach Paul here. Today's video I'm going to show you how to get inside on a taller fighter, alright? So we're going to be using the wall brawl, okay? So actually got a request from my man Kevin asking if I can do a tutorial video on how to, different ways on how to get inside on a taller fighter, alright? So I'm going to show you guys, give you a quick tutorial, okay? So what I would do is just start off with a lot of feints, okay? What feints do is get your opponent off balance and gets them to flinch, all right? So if you throw a good feint and you get your opponent to flinch, you're gonna bring up, they're gonna close their eyes, they're gonna react, or they're gonna put their hands up. That's just an opportunity for you to get in on them. So you throw a feint, bam, they do that, then you can work, and then you can throw a 1-2 or get inside, whatever combo you wanna throw. But it's just an opportunity to get inside. So that's one way, throwing a feint. Different footwork, stepping on the side, okay, giving them also a different look, dropping your weight, moving your head side to side, head movement, also keeping your hands up like Mike Tyson did, all right, that peekaboo style, rolling, keeping that head moving side to side is a good way, staying low. So, all right, let's work a little bit of it, head movement, feints, and footwork, okay, that's a big part of it too. You can have movement, but if your feet ain't moving to get to your opponent, the head movement's useless. So, quick feet, okay, moving your head, throwing feints, using that jabbing to the body, boom, stepping, coming up, fast feet. Bam, see how low I am? And then once I dip low, what's there first? The body. So you might as well throw a body shake, get low, and then climb, come upstairs off the body work. So, moving, keeping my legs strong, keeping my legs spread, strong quads, and fast feet, all right? Throw feint, throw jab, bam. And once you're inside, smother, close the distance, bam. So get your shots off and don't let them hit you back. So, and then close in. You throw short from right there. Alright guys, that's a quick tutorial video on how to fight a taller opponent, how to get inside. Feints, stay low, head movement, and fast feet. All right, so good full work, bud. All right, so that's that. If you guys have any questions or any more videos that you want me to do, tutorial videos on technique, footwork, punch technique, defense, whatever, the full nine, go ahead, drop a comment, and I'll start uploading these tutorial videos more often. All right, so that's that. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for the support.